Let me see those angles though.
Yeah, snap it. Snap it all.
Shit. Check it out, guys. It's fucking hell. It was hella raining.
Nah, what do you mean? It's sunny as fuck.
Bro, look at this puddle.
Let me see your ass. It'll be sunny. It ain't. It's a moon, bro.
A hairy moon.
I've never been on the moon before.
Get on it.
And let me be the first man to walk on the moon. Wow. Wow. I heard there's cheese on the moon.
Smells like cheese from here.
Bing, 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 bing.
So how do you guys think this is gonna work, man? Look at that shit.
It's just not. Oh, really?
You needed to close, bro.
Fuck you. As long as it clicks, I'll drive it home.
What's this? What's so loose?
It's loose like my ears.
Oh. I seen it.
What size is that? I think.
That come up though.
I stole it.
Shit, bro.
Took it from Best Buy.
Guess how much this guy got that for?
You guessed it right. You got it for free. Ha!
Hey, are you gonna tell everybody how much you got it for?
I got it for $150.
Damn.
0 cents.
It's not even the A7 though.
No, it's not. It's fake.
Good. That cocaine white too, huh?
Cocaine.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Crank it.
Bro, this fool doesn't even want to crank his own car.
Crank easy, bro. All you gotta
Just crank it.
Soldier boy.
Watch me, you. This fool just got this battery. Yup.
That's low.
That's hella low. 12.1?
12.1's low. Crank one time.
It cranked one time.
That's all that mattered.
We did crank it a bit. Like, not hella, but.
You have cables?
I have cables. I got hella cables. You guys haven't seen Adrian's fucking 9,000 horsepower. You must like red, man. You like gold too?
Ain't gold.
Damn. This fool likes a match. My bad. Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
Nothing? Is it charging? Check the.
Bruh.
It's hella loose. All right, third try.
Where? Really?
We're about to start the car. Super stoked. Damn, bro. What'd he say?
What happened?
What'd he say?
I like little dicks.
Alright, guys. Fucking got it started. Now we just need to put the radiator on. We're just bleeding the coolant and just checking for leaks and shit. So, well, and put the bumper on. Other than that, it's solid. Super excited for the homie. Finally looking like a car. Is it pencil dick or needle dick in Scary Movie?
Yeah.
What's up, pencil dick?
You gotta be quicker than that, pencil.
Damn, top flight security, bro. Late.
We top flight security of the world, Craig.
I guess we done for today, huh? Fucking shit. Fucking Subarus. Alright, we're done. So next time is fucking rollers. Burnouts. Deuces.